If you're seeing X or Twitter error code 34, don't worry. This usually means the page, post, or profile you're trying to open doesn't exist anymore, or it may be restricted. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it on your PC browser step by step so you can get back to browsing X without the frustration. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, it's important to understand what error code 34 actually means. In most cases, X is telling you that the page cannot be found. That could happen if the account was deleted, the tweet was removed, the username changed, or the content is protected. So before you start changing settings on your browser, the first thing you want to do is verify whether the profile or tweet still exists. Open X and use the search bar to look for the exact username or the exact tweet text. If you're using an older link, there's a good chance the user changed their handle or deleted the post. If the account is protected, you may need to be an approved follower before you can see their content. In that case, the error isn't really a browser problem, it's just a visibility restriction. If the content definitely exists and you still see the error, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes because old or corrupted browsing data can make X load the wrong page or display a false error message. On your PC, open Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That will open the Clear Browsing Data menu. In that menu, make sure you select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. For the time range, choose all time if possible because that gives you the cleanest reset, then click Clear Data. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it before trying X again. This simple step fixes a lot of loading issues, especially if the site has been acting strange for a while. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy shields, script blockers, and security extensions can interfere with how X loads pages. Open your browser settings and go to the Extensions menu. Temporarily disable anything that could block scripts, track requests, or filter website content. Once those extensions are turned off, refresh the X page. On Windows, you can also try Ctrl and F5 to force a full refresh instead of using cached content. If disabling extensions fixes the issue, you've found the cause. In that case, you can turn them back on one by one to find out which extension is triggering the problem. That way, you don't have to leave your browser unprotected, and you can still use X normally without error code 34 showing up again. Now here's another very useful test. Open X in an incognito or private window. This helps you figure out whether the issue is related to your browser setup or your account itself. In incognito mode, most extensions are disabled by default, and your normal cache and cookies are not used. So if X works fine there, then the problem is almost always cache, cookies, or an extension conflict in your regular browser. If incognito mode still shows the same error, then the issue is likely not on your browser side. At that point, the page may truly be unavailable, deleted, restricted, or broken. You can also try logging out and back in, switching browsers, or opening X on another device to confirm whether the issue is tied to the link itself. To summarize, the best fixes for X or Twitter error code 34 are checking whether the page still exists, clearing cache and cookies, disabling problematic extensions, and testing in incognito mode. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem quickly. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.